The iconic warship INS Virat, which was world's longest served warship in the Indian Navy, will go down in pages of history. INS Virat was a second Centaur class aircraft which has served in Indian Navy for 29 years. The dismantling process of Navy carrier has already started, while efforts are on to turn it into a floating museum. Shiv Sena Rajya Sabha MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has written to Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh asking him to intervene and stop dismantling process of the iconic warship. In her letter, Chaturvedi urged Singh to let INS Virat be a living, breathing and thriving memorial of India's nationalism, patriotism and pride. Chaturvedi also said that we must be preservers than destroyers of our rich history. Shiv Sena MP's request to not dismantle the warship comes at a time when shipmakers are pulling the warship ashore to dismantle it. NV Tech, a private company, reportedly had approached Sharipad Naik, Minister of State for Defence, to purchase the warship. The private company wanted to take the ship to Goa and turn it into a museum. It had taken approval from the Goa state government as well. The warship was decommissioned from the Indian Navy in March 2017 and is currently stationed at Alang Coast in Gujarat. The ship was sold by Defence Ministry to Shriram Shipbreakers for 35.8 crore rupees. Mukesh Patel, chairman of Shriram Shipbreaker, refused to sell the aircraft carrier to a private company without a government NOC. Mukesh Patel said that 5% of the warship is already dismantled and 250 workers are working on dismantling process. He said that the dismantling process started 600 feet away from the shore as its weight needs to be lessened before pulling it to the shore for complete dismantling process. The ship weighs 27,800 tons. INS Virat arrived at Alang 2 months ago, and a month ago the Gujarat Marine Board gave permission to dismantle it after inspecting the vessel. Earlier, the Union government in the parliament had clarified that the decision to scrap Virat was taken only after consulting the Navy. INS Virat has also served in the Royal Navy as HMS Hermes before it was commissioned to the Indian Navy in 1986. The warship served in the Britain Royal Navy from November 1959 to April 1984. The Indian Navy purchased HMS Hermes for $65 million and recommissioned it on May 12, 1987. HMS Hermes fought in the Falkland Islands War and won against Argentina in 1982 in the South Atlantic. INS Virat is the second warship that is being dismantled in the last 6 years. INS Vikrant, which played an important role in the 1971 Indo-Pak War, was dismantled in 2014 in Mumbai.